can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of...
Introducing the 2024 Harley-Davidson Nightster Special, a modern muscle machine poised to take on the streets. Packed with 95 Newton-meters of gut-wrenching torque and 89 HP, this ain't your grandpa's Harley. It's a lean, mean, adrenaline-pumping beast ready to rip. Choose your weapon. Billiard Gray for stealthy prowling. Black Denim for raw attitude. Baja Orange for a fiery statement. Red Rock for timeless badassery. High-tech meets old-school cool. Ride in style with a 4-inch TFT display, phone integration, and a low seat for relaxed cruising. Own the legend. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Nightster Special. Starting at just £14,495. Visit your local HD dealer today and unleash the darkness within.
Said it so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.